Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Tui and I'm a master's student studying electrical engineering and I'm the project manager for Reverse Choreography. So besides being a student, one of my big interests is in dance. I danced and choreographed for a few teams like Chaotic 3 and Nesquik Dance. And so I pretty much wanted to make a project that was dance and engineering. So what I came up with was, instead of dancing to music, let's music to dance. Yeah. So the goal of this project is that it takes in movement data to a metronome and then it actually spits out a Spotify playlist that reflects the vibe of that movement while producing visual effects throughout the whole process. This project is also based on Steezy Studio's own reverse choreography series, where a music producer makes a song to a piece made by a professional choreographer and they choreograph to a metronome as well.
That kind of stuff, that's him all reverbed out, like hitting those smacks, like making sounds.
The goal for this project is to provide a source of inspiration for dancers, but also just be something fun for everyone. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the result, and here are the team members who worked on this project and what they have to say.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, I'm Zoe and I'm a senior studying computer engineering and computer science.
And I'm Sarah, I'm a junior studying computer science. So we're a part of the Capture sub-team, and basically we wrote the code that allowed us to capture body movement and also the code that allows us to send that same data to other sub-teams. So we built a capture script that tracks body joint movement and visualization programs to plot movement over time to look at different trends. We studied that movement for random error like lighting and environment.
We also interface with other sub-teams to provide capture data in meaningful formats, such as setting up data transfer protocols and Excel file logger. And we work with Jeff to automate capture process and take dancing data for analysis from 10 plus participants.
I'm Paul Samodi and I'm a sophomore majoring in computer science.
I'm Pilar Louise and I'm a junior studying computer engineering and computer science.
I'm Matt Baysart. I'm a master's student in electrical engineering.
I'm Adam Von Arnhem. I'm a junior studying applied math and computer science, and we're the recommendation team. We take dancer data and generate a playlist for the user.
So we first looked at the motion data to figure out what kind of patterns we could find in the dancer's movement.
And then we created two models, a classification and a regression model, and it looked at this dancer data and then recommended a playlist of songs based on it.
Finally, we generate a playlist based on the song audio features.
Just do something. It started.
I hate you for this. Hi, I'm HH and I'm a junior studying mechanical engineering.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Lim and I'm a freshman majoring in computer engineering and computer science.
Hi, my name is Sean Yamaguchi. I'm a freshman majoring in mechanical engineering.
We created visual effects for this project within the program Touch Designer using MQTT to create a little ball that would be able to move particles around within Touch Designer. These would react to the motions of different body parts.
We also developed a 3D model in Blender software containing a variety of different elements. These elements effectively allowed us to place both the particle effect as well as the little ball within a specific space.
Altogether, these helped us create a visual environment that could also be placed in the final showcase room, giving some more vibrancy and adding to the user experience.
Should be hitting different.
That shit's broken. That shit's broken. Look at it, okay, I tell you like your voice, let your hips do the talking.
yeah, that's the project. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching that. And yeah, I would just like to say it's been a huge honor and great experience to be a PM for Makers this year. I'd like to thank all of the eBoard for their time and trust, as well as all my team members for their hard work over the year. And also just anyone from data participants to design reviewers. You all had a hand in this project, and it would not be where it is now without you guys, so thanks. With that said, there's really nothing else, so I will catch you all later.